Max, what are you trying to do? Do you want to go in your jumperoo? Are you going to stand up? What do you think you'd like to do? Max? Careful. You don't want to fall over and go boom. You don't want to fall over and go boom, do you? No. You have to be careful what you do. Okay? Whoa. You really want that, don't you? Max, can you come over here? Max, come see Mommy. Max. Max! Look what Mommy has over here. Come on over. Come on over. Good boy. You like to move, don't you? You coming to get your car? You want to play with the car? You're fast. Oh, now I'm going to sit up and I'm going to play, Mama. I'm going to sit up and play. This is what I want to do. Oh! Maybe I'll go get it. I think maybe I'd like to go get it. I like that car. I think it's a tow truck, actually. Maybe it's a skidder. What is that, Max? You're not supposed to eat the car. You're supposed to drive it. You want that car now? The blue car? Do you want the blue car? Max. Look at Mommy. Achoo! 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 Mama, I want that. Can I have the camera, please? I'd like to play with it. I want it. I'm coming to get it. I'm coming to get it. I'm coming. I want it. I want it. Let me climb Mama's leg. And now I'm going to suck on Mama's knee. Tastes good. Yummy, yummy. Tastes good.